Hola, Msans. I'm here again. It's been a while, but I'm here with you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Bsa Blessing right now. Today I'm here in Emalahleni, Mpumalanga. I'm about to take you through one of the biggest and most popular malls in the province. Highveld Mall. This mall was officially opened in 2007, and since then it has been expanded multiple times to become the massive shopping and entertainment destination it is today. Right now, it has over 165 to 180 and more stores, and today, with the entertainment area, it covers around 85,000 square meters. That's like about 8 football fields combined. So today, I'm going to show you everything this place has to offer. Let's go. As you can see, guys, even from outside, this place is huge. There is a lot of parking space, which makes it easier for people to come here. Because of its size and location near the N4 highway, people don't just come from Witbank, they come from surrounding towns like Middleburg, Uwagis, and even further. Alright, so now we are inside, and immediately you can see how modern and clean everything looks. The mall is very spacious with wide walkways, and you can already see a variety of stores around you. This is the kind of place where you can literally spend the whole day. One of the biggest reasons people come here is shopping, because this mall has a wide variety of stores. There are over 170 shops, including clothing stores like Edgars and Mr Price, and many more. Grocery stores like Pick n Pay and Woolworths, and also many more. Electronics and home stores like game, sportswear, brands, and shoe stores. You also get banks, beauty stores, phone shops, and even specialty stores. So whether you are here for fashion, grocery, or just browsing, everything is in one place. let's talk about food. The food court here is always busy and there are many options. KFC, Nando's, Magg Bean, Debonairs Pizza. So whether you want fast food or a sit-down meal, you've discovered. This is one of the most active areas in the mall. People come here to relax and enjoy. But what really makes this mall stand out is the entertainment. Right next to a mall, connected to it, is the Rich Casino and entertainment area, which includes cinema, bowling, arcade games, hotel nearby. So this place is not just for shopping, it's full lifestyle and entertainment experience. This mall attracts millions of visitors every year. Over 7 million people come here annually, which shows how popular it is. You'll always find families, friends, and people just enjoying their time here. So, for me personal, I think Highveld Mall is one of the best mall in Mpumalanga. It's big, it's clean, it has everything: shopping, food, and entertainment, all in one place. Yeah, it does get busy sometimes, especially on weekend, but that just shows how good and popular it is. So here guys, that was my full tour of Highveld Mall here in Mpumalanga. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, have you ever been here? What do you think about it? And if you want me to explore more places around Mpumalanga, just tell me where to go to next. I'll see you guys in the next video.